Hello there YouTubers, it is Sunday the 4th of October 2009. Hello from wherever you are in this interesting world of ours. First, I must say my heart does go out to those caught up in the Indonesian quake and the Samoan tsunami tragedies. I know we have some listeners from that region and there are some Aussies caught up in the saga. Please stay safe and I hope things are okay and you return home to your family safely very soon. Okay, now on to other things. Just a comment here, the economy is still a big lie. I've said it many times that after the recession will come the Great Depression 2.0. This will pretty much be worldwide. The economy cannot continue on its present course and we will see major signs starting now. They have already sort of started, but people have ignored them. October is the beginning of the even bigger economic collapse to come, and it's why I've been saying all along to prepare. Many more companies will collapse, dollars and money will inflate, gas will rise, and resources will start to fail. The state and the local federal governments now will not be able to help much as they are all almost broke now. Just be wise with your choices and focus on what matters most, people. Now, of course, this is going to be depending on where you live, but I would say prepare for a bumpy year. The shit has almost hit the fans, almost started, and feel the pressure. Also, very few places will be immune from the changes coming down the track. So we need to ensure that we need to take care of each other, ourselves as much as possible, and listen to that small voice within and stay in tune with things. You know, just as you have listened to Bernanke and many of the other analysts out there saying this would be all over by the start of 2008, we have seen a market crash and things are still lingering on at the end of 2009 now. And we are not done yet, by all means. As we come into October, the pressure cooker gets turned up. This week was a very interesting one for me as a trader and as the market is reeling in a little bit. And you know, you see this uneven economic news, it's basically spooking people, which is no surprise to me about this October. But the third quarterly earning reports coming out could be one factor that helps make or break this fake rally anyways, which it sort of is at the moment. We have had some big pullbacks. There could be another one coming this week, and I think it's significant for many more events coming. The big catalyst this week was unemployment now, which has been reported to be 9.8%, the worst since June 1983. The lost job rate seems to be standing at about 17%. People getting laid off, people even part-time working, giving up their positions or getting the sack, which is basically making us feel that a slower US recovery will ensue as unemployment climbs much higher down the track. And see, they're not even reporting those that aren't claiming unemployment, those people that have just lost their jobs, so the number of unemployment is probably a lot higher. One other important thing for me too this week was it was interesting to see the G7 finance officials pushing for a stronger dollar, basically meeting in Istanbul and talking about many issues that surround the dollar at the moment. As they push for a stronger dollar, it's going to be interesting, and we wouldn't be surprised if there is an expected rally in the US dollar very soon. And that basically means that the stocks and some of the commodities, you know, I'm worried about some of the commodities and the metals at the moment. We could see a sell-off in those areas. So it is interesting to play around with the idea of market getting pulled down, dollar to go up. And you know, that being the case, I'm actually worried, like I said, about the price of silver and gold. A longer term, these guys will do really well, and if we do see a dip, it could be another opportunity to get in, but we will keep you posted on that. Anyway, that is it for now. Thanks to all my subscribers for listening and rating this video. Appreciate if you rate it and add your comment below. It's an important time for us all now, so let's keep things together, stay on our toes, and I'll talk to you when more things develop. MySpace Secrets out. Cheers.